In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files and folders to OneDrive quickly and easily. Whether you're new to OneDrive or already somewhat familiar, this guide will walk you through each essential step, ensuring that your important documents are securely stored in the cloud. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. This is your gateway to all things Microsoft, including OneDrive. Simply open your browser and head over to the Microsoft account login page. Enter your credentials, your email and password to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one, but for now let's assume you're already set up and logged in. Once you're logged in, the next step is to find the apps launcher. This is that little grid icon you see in the upper left corner of your screen. Clicking on this gives you access to all the Microsoft apps available. It's like your control panel where you can navigate easily between different services Microsoft offers. Next, locate and click on OneDrive within the apps launcher. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage solution designed to keep your files safe and accessible from anywhere. Once you're in your OneDrive, you'll notice an interface that's very user-friendly, offering various options for managing your files. Now, to upload your files or folders, look for the Create and Upload icon. It's prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have much trouble spotting it. Clicking on this icon presents you with options for either uploading files or an entire folder. Decide which option suits your needs best. If you just have individual files to upload, select Files Upload, but for a whole batch of documents, go ahead and choose Folder Upload. After making your selection, you're going to need to select the files or folder from your computer that you wish to upload. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your local folders. Once you've found what you want to upload, select it. You'll see an upload button, which you'll need to click to start the upload process. The speed of this process can vary depending on your internet connection and the size of the files or folders you're uploading. Be patient if it's taking a while. Your files are being securely transferred to the cloud. The final step occurs automatically. Once the upload is complete, your folder, including all of its contents, will be successfully uploaded to OneDrive. You can now access your documents from any device with internet access. This is a fantastic way to back up your important files and keep your work completely organized. And there you have it, a straightforward method to upload files and folders to OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped streamline your cloud storage experience.